So welcome back everyone. The video I should make in the night, I make in the day, and the one I should make in the day, I make in the night. Everyone is into RGB, even Jada, so that's why I'm taking a look at this Philips LED strip. It's going to be a short video, just going to do the unboxing, look at it, try the remote, show you the different settings, and then you can decide if you want to get it or not. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's put this aside. And your remote. Your manual. Which model number is this? Let me see. Let me just show it to you. Can you see it? Okay. What's this? Oops. Screws. And some instructions. Your remote. Let me just remove the tape or the paper. So that's it. And that's the light. 5 meters. So can I... Should we roll it out or should we just leave it like this? You know what? Let's just do it this way. Okay, let me plug it in, give it a try, and see what it's like. Okay, so now it's plugged in. And this is your remote. This is going to be a receiver, I assume. So let's take a look at the remote. Can you see it with the light in the background? And on the screen so you can see the different features. Okay, let's give it a try. That's on. The W. What is the W going to do? And so it's swipe. Oh, that's nice. This one is to adjust your brightness. And so, ooh, whoa, that's bright. Whoa. What's this one? And speed. And this one's mode plus. And speed. Oh, okay. That's to go slow. And that's to go fast. All right. Okay, really nice. I'll take one look at it later when it's a little bit darker. And so if you're thinking about getting it, you could get it. I picked it up by the Action, and there it was 17 euros and 50 cents, I believe. Anyway, so before I continue, it is flat and there is adhesive at the back, so you could stick it to your wall. or a dresser, cabinet, wherever you want to install it. Okay, let's take a look at it in the dark. So I rolled it off a little bit just for you to see what it's like. And this is a dark room. The colors are really nice, really vibrant. It doesn't look cheap, that's for sure, and it does feel good. It feels really soft, nice, and I guess you could say somewhat premium. So it's kind of dark, so I can't really see the remote, but I'm going to try my best to play around with it. Oh, that's really bright. And the remote is really good and really responsive. And no, there is no sound. So that's it. I believe it says 18 color settings and what was it? 256 colors. So you will be busy for a long time, and a few settings on the remote control. So you just have to take your time and try to figure it out if you are planning to get it. Anyway, that was my quick little video. A little bit longer than I was expecting. I was thinking like 4 or 5 minutes, so I'm guessing it's up to 7. Anyway, thanks for watching. A like would be great if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you so much for Jada for choosing this light and allowing me to test it. Oh, wait a minute, I paid for it. Nah, doesn't matter. See you next time.